The pop ensemble group, C, from Seaholm High School, is going to perform 2 songs, We Are the World and The Climb. So give another round of applause for under the direction of C. When I say station, I mean WDIV right here in Detroit, Southeast Michigan. What's 5 plus 5, everybody? 10! I've been back here in Detroit and Southeast Michigan now for 10 years. That's how long I've been doing the weather over at WDIV. Now, as was mentioned when I was just introduced, I was born and raised right outside Washington, D.C. Here, and let's start out with the first student.
Hi, my name is Andrew. Why did you want to become an astronaut?
Andrew, good morning, and thanks for asking this question. I wanted to become an astronaut because I wanted to explore space and to learn more about our solar system. So I probably started learning about space just a little bit before the grade you're in. I've been interested in space for a very long time, and part of that is because my parents took me to the planetarium, and we watched videos about the planets in our solar system, and we were just getting new information back from space probes that were going out there. Now we have a lot more information. We've been learning about our solar system for a long time, but that is one of the reasons I wanted to become an astronaut.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a human player put the ball inside it. Lift it all the way up. You see what they're using right here? These are called pneumatic cylinders. Pneumatic cylinders. Now, let me move that out of the way so we can demonstrate what pneumatics do. You're right there. Okay. With a pneumatic cylinder, you can do everything has gravity. Everything affects gravity. Yeah, that weight, how is weight different than mass? There's no difference? How much mass I have, how much weight I have? Okay, well mass is how much of me there is, how much substance is there. Now weight is the effect of gravity. Have you ever been in an elevator and you're going up, you feel heavier, you know what I'm saying? And you're on a roller coaster and you go down, you start to feel weightless, you start to lift up out of your seat. Oh, that's apparent.
There's a picture of the elevator picture, but this person's being stabbed.
Exactly. So that's apparent weight. So when you're falling down with gravity, you feel lighter.
Right predictions in every issue. Ready?
This chair does not go with the feet.
What happened?
Nothing
came out. So Ryan didn't know water. Well, it's you guys that it was still coming out. What it is it's what happens when it's in heat. There's no gravity, so there's nothing to actually force it out.
So that's water. Next demonstration. How many of you have ever played with all of you okay, have you ever played with Magic before? So you know how they sometimes attract each other? So if you touch them, there's
Water is just the end.